Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. And firstly, just swipe down from the top to open Quick Panel, in which we are gonna choose Settings. After this, go in the Connections tab, then in Wi-Fi and enable it by tapping on this switcher. And it will start searching for the available networks. So just scroll to find your network, tap it, and you would need to enter its password. So if it contains numbers, then just swipe up and switch to the numbers. Then just enter your password or PIN code and confirm by clicking this check mark. Then tap Connect button and it will be connected just in a couple of seconds. And here it is, you can see the status connected and the name of your network. So that's it. Hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.